Hi, welcome to my channel RxSam 2020. My name is Sam and I am pharmacist. Today we see mostly useful information of drug vancomycin. It is used to treat a number of bacterial infections. About vancomycin. Vancomycin is an antibiotic used to treat a number of bacterial infections. It is recommended intravenously as a treatment for complicated skin infections, bloodstream infections, endocarditis, bone and joint infections, and meningitis caused by methicillin resistance, Staphylococcus aureus. Blood levels may be measured to determine the correct dose. Vancomycin is also recommended by mouth as a treatment for severe Clostridium difficile colitis. When taken by mouth, it is very purely absorbed. Safety in pregnancy is not clear, but no evidence of harm has been found, and it is likely safe for use when breastfeeding. It is a type of glycopeptide antibiotic and works by blocking the construction of a cell wall. Vancomycin is made by the soil bacterium Amycolatopsis orientalis. Vancomycin is indicated for the treatment of serious life-threatening infection by gram-positive bacteria unresponsive to other antibiotics. Treatment of serious infection caused by susceptible organism resistance to penicillin or in individuals with serious allergy to penicillins. Treatment of pseudomembranous colitis caused by C. difficile, in particular in case of relapse or where the infection is unresponsive to metronidazole treatment. For this indication, vancomycin is given orally rather than by its typical intravenous route. Antibacterial prophylaxis for endocarditis following certain procedure in penicillins hypersensitive individuals at high risk. Surgical prophylaxis for major procedure involving implantation of prosthesis in institution with a high rate of MRSA or MRSE. Early in treatment as an empiric antibiotic for possible MRSA infection while waiting for culture identification of the infecting organism. Treatment of endophthalmitis by intravitreal injection for gram-positive bacteria coverage. It used to prevent the condition, however, is not recommended due to the risk of side effect. Vancomycin is considered a last resort medication for the treatment of sepsis and lower respiratory tract, skin and bone infection caused by gram-positive bacteria. Let us see what is antibiotic. Antibiotic is a type of antimicrobial substance active against bacteria. It is the most important type of antibacterial agent for fighting bacterial infections. Antibiotics medications are widely used in the treatment and prevention of such infections. They may either kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. A limited number of antibiotics also possesses antiprotozoal activity. Antibiotics are not effective against viruses such as the common cold and influenza. Drugs which inhibit viruses are termed antiviral drugs or antivirals rather than antibiotics. Let us see what is gram-positive and negative bacteria. Gram-positive bacteria are classified by the color they turn after a chemical called gram stain is applied to them. Gram-positive bacteria stain blue when this stain is applied to them. Other bacteria stain red. They are called gram-negative. Gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria stain differently because their cell wall are different. They also cause different type of infections and different type of antibiotics are effective against them. Contraindications in patient with history of allergy. Special precautions. Pediatric use with caution in neonates. Pregnancy use with caution. Elderly use with caution. Drug interactions. Additive action with other nephrotoxic and ototoxic drug. Side effects. Skin rashes, red neck, flushing drug fever. Dosage. In adult 50 mg every 6 hourly or 1 gram every 12 hourly by intravenous infusion over 60 minutes for 7 to 10 days. In children, 10 mg per kg every 6 hourly or 40 mg per kg per day in 3 to 4 divided doses by slow intravenous infusion over 60 minutes for 7 to 10 days. Some brand names which are available in market: Cytovan, Vancomycin CP, Vancogen, Vancolid, Vanlead. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please share to your friend. Hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my new upcoming videos. Thank you.